Sipu here. Hello guys, welcome to another episode on our channel. Looking at this very nice question where it's gonna confuse most of us. I'm sure most of you will be like, how do we actually solve this? Everybody will be coming up to an answer. You can leave your answers at the comment section below. For now, but we are going to solve this question. Although many people will be wrong and some will be right, but we're gonna solve this question and come out to an actual answer. First of all, looking at this question, you can just feel like, hey, let me take 5 minus 2, which is 3, plus a take bracket. So at the end of the day, you see that your answer is wrong. But looking at this, there's a simple math principle which we're going to use, which is normally known as BODMAS. BODMAS is a simple term in maths, where BODMAS, let me just give you a simple breakdown of what BODMAS means. Where this one comes as bracket, this one comes as order, division, multiplication, duplication, we have as addition, and subtraction. This simply just gives us an order in which anytime we meet a math equation like this, we have to start with. So, but if we're looking at this BODMAS and using this BODMAS principle, we will see here that BODMAS tells us that in this equation, we should start by solving the bracket. So, but we're just going to solve it so you can actually see how it works. But I'm sure by now you could have come up with your own method. So, but let's just simply use this method and see what it gives us. Okay, we'll start by 5 minus 2 plus, if we're solving the bracket first. But inside the bracket now we have division. So 1 divided by 4 is basically 1 divided by 4 all squared multiplied by 8. And then we should be equal to, we don't yet know. In the BODMAS again, you see that the next thing that comes up is the order, which is our order. So we have to now work on the order, which our order is simply, if we're doing it, will be 5 minus 2 plus solving our order. It's going to give us now 1 on 8 times 8 is equal to, we still don't yet know the answer. So, looking at the BODMAS, what do you think comes next? BODMAS, after order, we have division. Yes, but I think if we look at our equation, we have just one division, which is 1 divided by 8, but we will not want to change this. We just want to leave it like this. It's easier for us to solve. I don't want to be having points forming our equation. After division, the next thing we have is multiplication. So we have to multiply first, which gives us again 5 minus 2 plus 1 on 8 times 8, giving us 8 answers 8, which gives us 1 is equal to, we still don't know an answer. After multiplication, we see that what comes next is addition. And here, if I wanted to add these two numbers, it's going to give us 5 minus 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to, and lastly, we have subtraction. 5 minus 3 is going to give us an answer 2. So after looking at this, we have all seen how basically we were able to solve this math question using the principle of BODMAS. Because I want to just show an example of what could happen if we actually just solve this question using a number. We could basically just take 5 minus 2, which could be giving us, let's say, 3, plus maybe we wanted to solve this bracket first, plus let's say 1 on 8, multiplied by 8, which we could answer, which could at the end give us 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. See that your answer could be 4 and my answer could be 2, which your answer could be wrong. Because using maths, the BODMAS principle is what we use to solve this kind of questions. And there are other complex questions where you may even see and press comes to us best. This is simple maths questions where it keeps you walking. So thank you for watching the video right up to the end, and to subscribe to see more videos like this, and thank you for your patience. See you all in the next video.